Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to come on quickly to show you all the different jars and containers that I keep all my coins in. These ones are a bit dusty because they're under my desk, but nevertheless I'm going to show you what I have. These are 5p's that I've been just chucking in this jar, and these are some £1 coins from my challenges, as you know, and also this one is from my challenges as well, the bunny jar, all the £1 coins. So I've got those to sort out. Now I'd like to introduce Betsy to you. She's lovely, look at her, always resting with her doll. I have her to dump all the change in. So each time I get the change, I dump all the change into her, and then when she gets really full, like now, nothing can't hold in her anymore, can't put any more in there, I empty her out and I separate all the coins. The last time I did it, I separated all the coins. All the £2 coins go into this tin. It's really heavy, but it's not ready to be cut open as yet, and all the coppers go into this. I've been saving this from the beginning of the year and I'm really happy it is. Oh, I can't wait to open it, goodness me. So I'm going to just empty her out and see how much coins is in her, how much £2 coins is in her. So give me a sec. Okay, there was a couple there that refused to come out. Did you see me shaking her all about poor Betsy? I hate to shake her up and down like that, but oh, that's what she's there for though, isn't it? To stuff with coins and then take them out. Bless her, she's loved. I love Betsy. Anyway, let's get back to the matter. So I've got a few £2 coins in here. I'm going to take them out and put them in the tin. I've got £24 in the £2 coins, so they will all go into this tin. And then I will sort out the rest. I've got this one as well with just all silvers and some £1 coins. Over the past few weeks, this is what came out of Betsy. So let me do the £1 coins. I've got £5 in £1 coins, and they'll go in there for the minute, and then I'll do the silvers. There we go. So the coppers will stay. I'm not counting those. And the £2 coins, that's gonna go over here, and I'm just gonna count these up. The 5p's can stay. Let me just count up what I have here, and then I'll see you back in a minute. Right, I have finished counting up everything. Not the 5p's and not the coppers. That's the pennies and the 2p's. Those can wait until another time. I have bagged them all out, ready for the post office or the bank. Now these are £1 coins, and there is, how much in there? There's £20 in each bag. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. So that's £80. Let's get that there. And then we've got the 50p coins. That's £10. So that's 90. So let's add 10. And then we have the 20p's. The 20p's are £5. So we've got 2 bags of that, so that's 10. And then we've got 2 10p bags, and the 10p bags are, oh, let's just have a quick look. 20p, £5. So that's £5 in each bag, so that's 10. So that's £110 all bagged up for the bank. And I'm keeping this for myself. I'm going to buy some chocolate trifles, some Cadbury's dairy chocolate trifles. That's what I'm going to do. Right, so £110 all bagged up to take to the post office and have that changed up. And then the loose ones we've got in the £1 coins, we've got £7 loose. I'll check that in a minute. And then in the 50p's we've got £8. In the 20p's we've got £1, and in the 10p's we've got £2.50. So I will just add that all up. That's £2.50. Add £1, add 50p. Oh, 7.50. 7.50 and £7. So that's £128 and 50p. That's in total of what we have here. Just put these aside. I can't wait to open this £2 tin with you. Right, so that's that. And £128 and 50p, and that's not bad. I'm really glad, really glad. Let's do a dance. Ooh, ooh. Thank you so much for sticking with me to help me to count up this change. When I think about having to do it, it's a chore, but then when I get into the mix of it, it's nice. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.